Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remix a song in Suno AI. Suno AI is praised for its powerful music generation capabilities that let anyone create complete songs from simple text prompts. Its impressive vocals and fast production make it a favorite for artists and creators seeking quick, high-quality music without needing advanced audio skills. To try it, visit the Suno AI website on your browser. If you would like to create an account, click Sign Up in the top right corner. To continue with Google, hit the Google icon. After that, it will take you to the home page of your account. In the Create page, you will see a prompt box to enter the song description. To add the audio, click on the Audio button. Now, choose the audio file from your folder. Then, agree to the terms to upload the audio. Hit the Save button after selecting the part of the audio. You can cover audio in any song style. After that, you can make your audio longer. You can save to the library to use this audio later. Following that, hit the Continue button. You will see the lyrics and styles on your screen. In styles, you can add granular structure, techno, and many more options. Then, click on Advanced Options. You can use different options, such as weaknesses, but you need a subscription. Hit the Create button, and it will show you the songs on the right side. To download the song, hit the three dots on the right side. Lastly, select the download to download it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.